Hello everyone. So today let's introduce our H-type follow automatic layer equipment for you and follow us to see more details.
Here we
Come here.
The first one is our automatic egg collecting machine, and the farmer just need to arrange 1 to 2 workers to stand here to collect the eggs, and it is more convenient and it will save more labor cost, and just need to put the egg to the crate directly. And the next one is here. Here is our central egg collecting system. It will be connected with the automatic egg collecting machine, and the lever will be there. It can hold all of the cage equipment eggs from there. You can have a look. And the worker just need to stand here to collect the eggs to the egg crate, and the others. It is very convenient. Okay, the next one is our automatic feeding system. The first one, you can have a look at our feed hopper. Our feed hopper has a special design. It is a top hopper. The capacity is 70 kilograms. The others, the capacity is 60 kilograms. The special design, it will provide enough food for the top tier chickens.
Yes, you can see the automatic feeding machine, and this is our feed trough. And you can this design. It is V shape. It is V shape. It is V shape, and also we have the inner edge, and it can save feed cost. Yeah. And when the chicken feeding, the feed will not throw away. And also we have equipped the feed collecting system, and when we sell the chicken, the feed collecting will collect the left feed, and this will save feed cost.
Yes.
And here we also equip the adjuster for feed. It can adjust the feed
quantity based on the birth quantity.
Yes.
And you can have a look at our cage. It is a sliding door. It is easy to operate and no chicken escape.
Yes.
And you can have a look at our bottom mesh. The material is hot galvanized. It is very strong and strengthens the bearing. And there are 2 pieces reinforcing ribs. It can strengthen the bearing too. And the distance between the 2 tiers is 650 millimeters. It is better for the ventilation and the lighting and prevent the disease infects.
Yes, and also we have top mesh design. This will prevent the chicken pack the manure belt. And also we have 10 centimeter space between the top mesh to the manure belt. This is also will have better ventilation.
Yes. And another one is for our automatic drinking system. Our special design is the 2 water lines. It can provide enough water for each chicken. Based on our 20 years raising experience, if we just use 1 water line, the water is not enough for the chickens.
and also it is convenient to maintain and replace.
Yes.
And for the bottom mesh, we have eight degree slope.
Slow.
Yeah, it can make the egg slow down swiftly and lightly. This is our automatic egg collecting system. This is a egg collecting belt. From here, it will transfer the eggs to the egg collecting machine.
Okay, the next one. Let me introduce our automatic manure cleaning system. For our special design, we set 4 steps to clean the manure. The first one is the scraper at here to clean the manure at the end of the manure belt, and the second one is the scraper at the return side of the manure belt. It can double cleaning the manure. And the third one is the side rails at the two sides. It can promise the manure can be cleaned more cleaning. And the fourth one is our V-shaped scraper manure cleaning system. You can look here. After the 4 steps, the chicken manure will be cleaned completely.
And for each type fully automatic layer reading equipment, it is suitable for large capacity, like more than 30,000 birds. One house could use this. We have 3 tiers, 4 tiers, 5 tiers, even we have 8 tiers. It will depend on your reading capacity. We can offer you 3 designs for this. The 4 solutions
Yes.
offer to you.
Yes.